Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. Here is a short video of a recent installation at Headingley Golf Club in Leeds LS16. We installed a commercial CCTV system using the very latest Turret IP cameras. The cameras have a really nice wide angle lens to cover the full car park areas. These cameras have dark fighter technology. With the help of ambient lighting, they will produce a great colour picture at night time. This is a great way to identify people and cars at low lights. We installed a wall-mounted HD monitor for the bar area and a data cabinet to house the recorder. There are examples of other golf clubs where we have installed security cameras. The case studies can be found on our website and YouTube channel. If you are looking to upgrade a commercial CCTV system, feel free to give us a call to book in a site survey and we can help advise on the best system for you.